it's in mine, like it's made just for me. But where it is in mine, it was meant to be. And I'm joining up the dance with the freckles on your cheeks, and it all makes sense to me. I know you've never loved the twinkles of your eyes when you smile. You've never loved the stomach or your thighs, the dimples in your back at the bottom of your spine. But I love them endlessly. I will let these little things slip out of my mouth. But if I do, it's you they are up to. I'm in love with you. And all these little things, you can go to bed without a cup of tea, and maybe that's the reason that you talk in your sleep. And all those conversations are the secrets that I keep, though it makes no sense to me. No, you've never loved the sound of your voice on tape. You never want to know how much you weigh. You still love to squeeze into your jeans, but you're perfect to me. I won't let these little things slip out